Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to see Python with data analysis series, and in this the video focus on drop data frame rows with missing values and fill missing values with filling method. So we are going to fill in missing values with filling method. So using Panda library on sample CSV file. For example, this is the CSV file which is I have stored in my path. Okay, and this is the data which contains. Okay, here name a city, John 25, New York. But if you see the Bob, we have null values, and same for David also we have mentioned none. So this is the here contain some missing value for the Bob, and here also it contain none. So I want to find out as well. I want to fill the missing value here. So this is example we am going to explain. So we are importing Panda library, guys. Okay, this is the code which I would like import Panda has PD and import OS. This library will help to you, os.getCW function. So I have created one workspace path plus I'm concatenating the path. So I just stored the complete path in one variable. Now PD.read underscore CSV method, I'm going to read the file. So we will read the CSV file method data CSV into data frame. So I'm going to read the missing value file and storing into path. Okay, and right now I'm reading the data with help of data frame. Okay, so we are going to demonstrate the different options. First, drop df means dropping row with any missing values. After this one, I'm going to fill it the df replace missing value with -1. You can change it with this value or another value also. Mean filled df means replace missing value with the mean of each column. Median filled means replace mean value with median each column. Guys, these two functions are very important. It will be asked on the mostly data analysis interview questions. What is mean and what is median? Below I will explain very detailedly, then you will understand. Okay, now I'm going to with help of read CSV method, it is going to read the file and storing in one variable df.head. I'm getting the data here. Okay, so this is the name age. Here if you see we have missing value, here I have added none, and these are the city value. Option 1, drop row with missing values. So with help of drop NA, we can utilize with this function, we can drop the rows. After dropping the rows, okay, drop df equal to drop NA, drop rows. Now drop row is showing the output. Drop df dot head. Now it is displaying like this. Okay, here if you see John 25, New York, Charlie 30, David none. But I just dropped the NaN function. It means completely removing this column, this row. Okay, one row completely removed. So we got this is the output with help of drop NA. Drop NA function which will drop the row. Okay, which is having the null values. Now option to fill value with -1. So df fill NA value equal to 1. So here print filled value with value -1. So right now I have utilized the -1 or 1, whatever you want, you can just utilize here 1. So I'm filling the bob with 1 value. Okay. Now another option, filling missing value with column name, with column mean. So here guys, actually if you're not applying the, suppose here what I have created one variable with the age column. Now I'm calling this one to replace none. The age column should be is available here. Okay, so replace none with np.nan. Okay, if you're not utilizing what happened, here you will get this issue. Let me showcase one example. If I'm not added this code, for example, if I want to execute this one, one second, guys. For example, sorry, I have to execute here. Okay, so it is executing. For example, let me add this one and copy this one. If I put it this code, okay, what happened here? Let me remove the comment and let me remove the inside this function argument also. I don't want this one. So I want this one. Okay. Now, so it is throwing this kind of. What happened, here? Actually, the default value for numeric value in data frame mean is deprecated. So in future version, we will default to false. In addition, specific numeric value none, it is deprecated. Select a valid column and specify the numeric. So it means, guys, if you utilizing simple like fill na df.mean method, so it is not going to work. So if I executing also, it is throwing something. Okay, some warning kind of thing. So in order to avoid this, you have to utilize numeric and where only equal to true. So then before this one also I have to apply replace the none with the np nan. Okay, like this you will get a proper output. Okay, now I don't want this warning, so I want to remove the warning. Let keep it to comment. Let's remove this comment, this two. Now I'm re-executing this one. So now we got the proper warning also removed. So best way to utilize this one, mean fill df.fillna df.mean method numeric goal. I will explain this mean below. It is going to fill na guys null values with help of mean. Okay, the mean actually how it is working. See, if you see here, okay. So one example I have. For example, yeah, the mean is a statistical measure that represents the average of set of number. Okay, in Panda, you can calculate the meaning of each column using df.mean method. Okay, filling missing value, the fill na df mean part of instructs Panda to fill any missing value represented by none by default in the data frame with the corresponding column name. Okay, this is done independently for each column. For example, consider here we have age salary. The age of salary would be 25 plus 30 by 2. So here I'm calculating 25 by 30 by 2. So 27.5. So I'm going to cover the age value with help of by calculating above two values of age. Then 60 I'm going to add here. So once you execute the df.mean, this function, guys, once you execute it, right? So obviously you will get a, it is going to fill with the missing the mean of age of two columns. So that is the reason our Bob got filled 27.5. Okay, so that is the reason of mean we are using. Okay, actually it is going to fill with help of mean function, statistical function. The statistical function actually going to work with like this 25 plus 30 divided by 2, 27.5. So that is when our Bob value is filled with the 27.5. So similarly for salary, we want to fill like this example, you can utilize it. Okay. So next example, I'm filling value with the missing values with the wherever none is there, right? None is here. So I want to fill this one. So I'm going to example with a median. Okay. Here it is there. Here we already got the value here 30. I mean, I have filled the missing value for the mean. Now median. If you go to the median, numeric value equal to 3. Okay. Same goes here also. I'm replacing the none. Okay, with the none value. So now same medium also working, same functional technique, but there are some differences on that. So df.fillna df.median numeric value equal to 2. If not mentioning, it will throw in warning guys. Okay, please make sure you should apply this function whenever you utilize it. And so one more thing is, what is median means? If you go to the below, okay, how it is calculating actually. Okay, one second here. When you have missing value in numeric column and want to replace the representative value based on the data distribution, the median is less sensitive outer compared to mean. So it might be better choice if you have a data potential. Simple example, the median of age is 28. Calculate only numeric column. Okay. And if you observe guys, age column is sorted. First you need to sort out this one. Then you have to find out odd value. So here the missing value above age is filled with the 28. Okay. How? Because first we have to sort it out this one. Then once we find out the odd value, we have to give the what we call we have to give the value with fill with this 128. For example, the medium of age is 28. Calculated only numeric column. The missing value above is 28 with medium. So here, if you see inside this function, okay, fill na df median. Fill na method is to replace missing value, usually represented by nan in the data frame. It take an argument specify value for filling the missing values. Okay, so this is the major use case of medium guys. Okay, so this is one sample example which we have utilized. So, but actually I have applied on the data set guys. Okay, so like this you can utilize it. So this will help you mostly for the data analysis, guys, for Python. If you want to utilize with Panda libraries and NumPy libraries, I have utilized here NumPy also. Okay. So why? Because I want to utilize this function. Okay. Replace function. So it is available over NumPy. So that's the reason I'm utilizing this one. Okay. So this is about this how to find a missing value in Python using Panda libraries and NumPy. These are the examples. Okay, guys, these examples are mostly using real time and also please try to practice the syntax and everything. Thank you, guys.